Hello everyone! Today we are comparing two latest smartwatches, the Xiaomi Watch S3 and Xiaomi Watch 2 Pro. Let's see this full video. Starting with body features. Both two watches comes with 518 water grade and eSIM. Display features. Both Xiaomi Watch come with 1.43 inches AMOLED display. Let's compare the hardware features. Next, compare the battery features. Xiaomi Watch 2 Pro comes with up to 55 hours of battery life, and Watch S3 comes with up to 15 days of battery life. Let's compare the connectivity features. Next, compare the sensor features and price. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.